Here's how to make pictures move in Capcut Mobile. Open Capcut and tap New Project, then add your main video. Tap Overlay at the bottom, select Add Overlay, and choose the picture you want to animate. Resize and position the picture where you want the movement to begin. Once it's in place, tap the keyframe icon, the diamond icon, to create your first keyframe. Move the playhead forward a few seconds, then drag the picture to a new position. Another keyframe will be created automatically. Continue moving the playhead forward and repositioning the picture until it reaches its final location. You can add as many keyframes as needed to create a smooth animation. When you're finished, play the video to preview the effect. If the movement feels too fast or slow, adjust the spacing between the keyframes until you're happy with the result. Once done, tap on the Export button at top right corner and save the final video. That's all for this video. Thanks.